What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, back for another video. And today we're going to be discussing this star note that I found in my pocket change. Now guys, not only is this a star note, but if you look closely at the serial number, it is also a birthday note. So a birthday note can be in several different orders, but as you can see, 01161096. So obviously this is someone's birthday from centuries ago, but however, it is still a birthday note. And if you look closely at the numbers, you can also see that this is somewhat of an odometer note because the numbers are not even. They are not in a straight line as you would see on most dollar bills. I think the second 161, if you take a look at that, that looks to be higher than some of the other numbers. So yeah, guys, not only is this a star note, but it is also a birthday note and potentially an odometer note. Now I want to show you guys how to find out if this is worth some money or not. Whether you want to keep it, spend it, or, sell it for more money. So let's check this out right here. All right, guys. So what you want to do is go to Google and type in star note lookup. And then you're going to go to mycurrencycollection.com, which is the first link. And all right, you want to scroll down and you want to enter the information you see below. So enter the denomination. It's not a $1 bill. It will be a $5 bill. And then mine is a 2017A, so I'm going to change the year. And then we're going to enter the serial number for this dollar bill. Okay, and once you are done entering the serial number, press look up your star note. All right, guys, so my bill came back as less rare, but as you can see, it is not all the way to the left. It's, somewhat towards the middle of the little scale thing. And I've definitely seen bills that have been total printed 10 million. So this isn't too bad. 1 million total printed. And this could be something that I keep and try and sell later for profit, because again, it is a birthday note as well as an odometer note. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you do it. Don't forget to check your dollar bills. You could have a fortune on your hands. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check your dollar bills, check your coins, and yeah, happy hunting. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.